Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Drknlvely, and I am here with my friend Marissa. She is plant-based, and as you guys know, my diet is pretty balanced. So today we're gonna have a vegan adventures, and we are going to cook vegan ceviche with cauliflower. So we have our rice cauliflower already, and as you guys know, I like to home cook. However, I do allow assistance from the grocery store. So I did prep everything before Marissa got here. So we have our cauliflower here. I cut up tomatoes, red onions, cilantro. I wanted Marissa to help me. So I have some garlic here that I will have her cut up and mince. We have lime and seasonings, just basically salt, pepper, cumin, and then we got some umami. Have you ever tried this one?
I've never tried that.
Multi-purpose umami seasoning from Trader Joe's.
Oh, exciting.
Bomb. It gives you like that umami. All right, so we'll just have Marissa go ahead and do the garlic. Right, and I have a bowl here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing the cauliflower. So Marissa, if you want to, you can tell my subscribers a little bit about yourself. Introduce yourself.
So let's get on Marissa. Hello everyone. I'm just moving to Houston, Texas. I got here back in August. I have a virtual wellness studio, so I teach yoga classes and healthy cooking classes online. So mostly plant-based. Yeah, I'm really enjoying getting integrated into Houston, meeting lots of new fun people. I'm excited to try this ceviche today.
Right. We were originally supposed to do pizza, but it's getting hot, and yeah, we didn't want to turn on the oven. Yeah. Especially being underneath this ring light. The only bad thing about this cauliflower is that it stank. So I'm just rinsing off the cauliflower, and what we're gonna do is we have to blanch it in the water to cook it, to make it a little tender. Very important to only let this blanch, okay? Because we don't want it cooked all the way through, because we don't want it mushy. So I'm gonna, now that I have it all in, we waste not, want not. I just wiped the stove off so it's clean. Okay, and we're gonna set the timer for 3 minutes. We'll do 4.5. Blanched our cauliflower, we have to let it cool and come to room temperature before we combine it with everything else. So
just a quick thing, you can run cold water.
Yes. We will separate it. Fluff it a little bit. There it is. To get that. Did you film it for me? Oh yeah. Yeah, you can pull it down. And I've made this before, so this is, have you ever had? Oh, never had cauliflower ceviche.
Never had it.
Perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, I think we're good now. Okay, so now we're just gonna drain it, because cauliflower holds a lot of water. So we're just gonna drain it, squeeze it out as much as possible. I wanna break it, but I wanna squeeze it out. it will still, you can try and get as much water out of here as you can, but once it sets up in the refrigerator, the water will still draw out and it will still have liquid in there, especially once we put the citrus in there. All right, so turn on the big light, makes it too orange. And then we get that nasty shadow. All right, I love the smell of onions, garlic, all this stuff already together.
It already smells good.
It's already smelling good. We're trying to do every bit and piece. It's gonna be fire. And I'm telling you, me, I eat shrimp, and this has an alternate. Like, just because I eat shrimp, I would also eat this as well. Like, you don't always want to just eat shrimp all the time.
Yeah.
So it's like, just as an alternative, it's a great alternative. I'm telling y'all. Okay. So now we can start adding in. I'm gonna drain off some of this liquid from the tomatoes. Just a little bit. I tried to squeeze them before I chop them. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle. Also, I think that's, just save that bit just in case. Then we're gonna do the red onions, purple onions, whatever you wanna call them. Okay. And then all the garlic. All the garlic. Do you like black garlic?
Yes, I don't eat it that often, but yes, I do.
Okay, we could have a big old jar of black garlic.
Wow.
We could use some. Alright, all the garlic. All the garlic. Yum, yum. Every bit, every bit. Okay. I'm gonna do the jalapenos. There's some seeds in here.
It's gonna be spicy.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough of that. Just enough, because then the cilantro will take the part of the rest of the greenery. All right, let's mix this up. I'm one of those weird people who like to mix it up first and then season it again after and then mix it again. So we'll mix it. So pretty. So get everything mixed. Tell me that's not ceviche. Tell me that.
Smells good.
It's enough, right? I think it's balanced, right? Much better. All right, now we are going to start to season. I'm gonna start with some cumin. Measurements to your heart's desire, okay? You wanna start off small and then add after, because you can always add more, you can never take away, okay? So we are going to season with some cumin, and we're gonna use some of that umami. Okay. And then salt, you gotta be generous with the salt, but also very, because these salt flakes are larger, so things can get salty real quick. So we're gonna start off just with a little bit, and then grow from there. Fresh cracked black pepper. For y'all who be using that red and white can, I'm gonna need y'all to stop doing that. Break that generational curse, please, because that is not where it's at. That is not where it's at. So we got some fresh. Please, please. Okay. So once again, mixing. This is how I like to do it. I like to build my flavor. Mix it, and then we still have to add the lemon juice or lime juice. But then you get a sense of the smell, how things are smelling together. It says it's freshly squeezed lime juice, so hopefully it is.
Yeah.
That's lime juice. That's lime juice. Once again, start off small, mix it up, heart's desire. lime juice in. I like lemons, and you guys know that, but lime juice is just, lime just a different, it just hit differently.
Yeah.
It's still good. I love citrus, but lime just has a little extra tang to it. All right, and now we're gonna lid this baby up, and we're gonna let it marinate for however long, but you know, 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours is best to just let those flavors just marry together. Oh, that's you, girl. What? I have to end the video. So, we're already eating, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on some recipes that we should try, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will put Marissa's information across the screen and in the description box so you can follow up with her on social media as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! She right there. She eating.